Yo ebusuya yemo na adwe emo na kwaba zeba oye Coastal TV Jumezino ye Kasa current affairs program ya hye zama yen behwazo funyina na enyumbre bia no ehia na ezi nkomo etwe nkomo zefa nsama okotwe okobrema wo man Ghana ha nyina ma ozima akotene pa no na yefa na ye mpensempensem na ehu bebia eze etina enan eze bottle ne enyumbesu yankopon na yenadon ma yebehia wo Kasa Jumezido na ya hwe nkomo mizin ze oye dani ABAWANA mensaka oye munia journalist Timothy KAKRABA NYANSAPO ono oye samchonyi panyine pa ozema oye Onua TV na oye 3FM ana Onua FM media general aha nde say media general za no chere one group of companies no odo sa bebre ntimo nyina across the central region. And sometimes no Obora parts of Ashanti na parts of Western or report ozema oye media general outlets ni nyina enyumbri yansakan ebochichu nkomo fansama ezego apondon nande abansam damna oriza koten wo omani Ghana mu a ebotum ya chichu nkomo oye isofupanyina oda Pentecost asor ano ofano oye Dr. ana Apostle Dr. NYAMEKYE onsem bia botugwa o say corruption cannot be defeated by legislation alone. It must be defeated by raising men and women of uncompromising character. Into obaje de corruption for ye na katahye eruntum mfa mrankotin mfa ntu dam aziase osande fizi yana nanum ona abrodo na corruption obogbaza orizo manenya and say botum ye to azaza no kire hia menyin na mesia chede owa kukudu otum wogina wonnando na wakade wanze trama mbra na hyehye no obezi mbra no do na wanze ye adwuma no matter what na daminti asama wa kan ebewom ne ebisa anya bia no abakone bafado enyina azia yeso rizin nyama omannim puntu aka ejiri abakone bafado ebeye na mpono se yentum ntuna ase kra mpa ebotum ya ate do na mo baya ozi ahoto na mpuntu so baba mo aka Ghana nyimbiala ebi moto de bien so yerhwe oye flood na beye fiti June another no ebotum aka na fiti afinish na hyese nyina no oche de nsu to na mo oye kasepa ye mosi oye June 29 ya ozinsan bebre ozibai almost every part of Greater Accra region and some parts of Central region ma amanfo kra no do na wo hwere won kwa official report no poche de nipa be 34 na wa hwere won kwa Central region de nipa be 18 na wa hwere won kwa na yerbisa de nanka dama flooding ya we see nkofo wewu nipa over 40,000 were displaced wonyi bebi a wozi wonye mobogu wonye mabebre na say no nke botum ya so ano anade damna oye abazin na wasesama nde sensutwa otumofa amanfo otumofa nyama otumo se nyama bebre no nka no so na ontedam so na wato na obrodo anade nyipa na ya nyama bia onyi de yeye madam eho nyina watoyen no so ya asama ebebisem na ewuram na yezinkomo na ya boa na nyina ya hwekora bafada ebeboa ma man Ghana ezi man neziye na obiala so wayo mabapa na wetum ozi omanem ren oza yejuma na mo be ya ahoto otum waba enyumri ebesro kayen ho na yenjutwu nkomo na enyina eboboa na ezinsampa ezabra Ghana titru oye Central region no onye egwai na mpuntu na eredweno ho ede wase de abribia no kosafizin odaha ma ehwe ma orokodo wo Coastal TV yakopon show bebre na enyumbre so anyen ntena na ya wonsampa yazemo bebre ma munia oye Timothy akwaba na yenhye yene nkomo twetwe no ase na yehu bebi a yeze etir na enan yezebo tiwo akwaba
dani bako
ejuma no yezino esa media general asozi no odo so pa yeso Coastal TV before ya wa ha yebada wase pa de abibia yeto safra wa eba na eba boy ma yenyina yesom yen audience ni na wo some pokwan
ma so medase ma mentia yan ahwefo no wonde edibre wa woni de ya betna oma no ho adwene ya bedwen de bia meka de nya na akonya ne yen ya na yetum ya betna ha mo no wa wo fie no ebi nyi mesene ya na mo akonya ne yen ya tisi ya betna ha ma na adwenkyere na ya beche mo tibia na asam no obetie wanado na se tie wanado ya wonfa nchen ya amano no ho donti na yetum ya tena no ti ya na hwefo no ya de wanse no so de bia no so wo hwe na ya de exclusive na asa papa na ya beche na adwo ha ti dani ebekase men kwa mesamba
nti yan share in discussion ya see na yan fa flooding situation na wa kodo wo omani Ghana titru Accra Greater Accra mo wa kodo nyina na mo wa kodo Central Region ma eya na oye okase wo mu inde se BBC dama ibona yen amenyo fono was azna ye oye politics azna so nya take political twist pe no che da asam no wa say enti ebe ye hu dede dama rube bia be 2 weeks na yeje egu ho na asam for so aba na so flooding is the oye permanent trouble ozima omani yenhwe ma okodo wo Accra no ye part of Central Region nyina se ezini nyina roto na akawa sama aba sam dam na botuma aka fadam flooding situation ya wa akodi
okay dani medas biom dama wodi tugo no wo hwe beye depend ebasani yindu bosomokoro ni for the 3 weeks we share disaster osi omayima ebetuma kale out of 16 regions the central region in the yatodo betuma kale so far no 16 regions central region is top in terms of one flood ekoda budunu central region 18 na 23 districts let's say 23 districts 22 district no 13 district ne so far no ebe central region hama affecting na affecting we share over 500 people no so far no won yama ase na 18 people no we central region 13 district in Cape Coast impact and Koko 6 na asatna America say 6 no ipa 5 no tum o confirm body no ende yaro no ye beru news ni ma no abrantaba no so insuta no insufa no mo call kada epono mu no ya me na do body na aba wow ama a confirm that ipa 6 MSC ano MC ni nkofo no akaje body ma ewe we kesi no enti yema ebusuani na no yakọ ya dani America na the Cape Coast no in terms of the flood in the whole region no Cape Coast na to me recorded when I was do super we as at now Accra confirmation what they ban once and one way so let's establish the current statistics yeah now then you share as I'll contribute to the damn flood no on 1996 at the Rollins time no BC. That's the year Friday no see or senyoma cast bebre osu man mo yenyame bebre na omampanyi dada late or tea committee or share obetum aboa who identify problems or ye bebre nti Friday asam ne de nyina nyimide o bebe man bebe ye kodunu bebe ye bread man kodunu yes the bia metame catch there you were first you were 21st century you were 20th century since you were 21st century you call 22nd bebe man odunu Friday by nature but we can prevent it into nyina mpa betumi aye bibia
mitigating
nancy America we say nancy what the America and the UK so Fridays yes what cause or your human attitude now this topic or Durban is one of my topic for the past 2 weeks I'm at the margin solutions go betumi aye if you find a bit ha
withdraw ho
everything aye biano Ghana first but you who there a man baby ye chire kodu no akaye amayosam amayosam na dani ye for manum sisi ya de chichire man you see a dope na fa awonfoma yanara asase yato edibu man dani sisi oni ho
ise wori ye wa yewo
yeah dani ayo
kwa yewo kwa wa yewo kwa patriotism
if you hope why they you to me them because of enquire employ who to the position or the government institution
technocrats
yes they are mandatory to what to share there this is the protocol I'm about to from Nkumana Bodo this is the protocol the woman oba why employ one the personal interest about one when we there aban no aba na wa ma ejuma ma aye minimum kofu bo me 18 wo ho mo no me what ho mo no minimum sadam kofu one wo bo ma abani bai e me nyina no ya ba power ne me benye ejuma aye nti eneme bi record wo area wana onam do oye expert no wa ko mizinu wa ma ejuma no oye ne nti obuni nwogudo osande oka over the next lesson ewo nenim into onka
wa kada yan to aba mo
yes nti problem now econ one the kind of people the government employ you call them position now one actually political appointment how many times Danny etina with a graphic and I bibi wa here publication and that's the was ejime bi aba na yankaka plebi Danny dabenda na that's there what's offer engineers ewo a money into obiano on tender application Danny when was the last time I watched it all the programs or institutions are not there employment when na here political appointment and what for one sir or a government work and yada wo you nti ngano mwana what some pada wo do di adwuma no dani obi wo on nti na me start America cho there nyara asase na yeto no ndo ni wo because one of one on kan adwuma wo institutions no wa ba ye amanyofo it is Zori and Opodo Ojan Oprid and Edo or two or the one and the party. It is any Kakaba meeting, Meti commented, Name party have a power. No moon of many Skakakra. Miss Mundo Hano was shot in maybe into Mokaka for Binama baton into Mikofa or the mere straw. Now, even there's a warning and a choke. Now, because of a pattern, what in team, me and Mamona, I can identify baby. Na me fa dem think so
information high
yes dani o ma na yetim onyini hu na okaka oh wala in support yen no akobo DC na man there na DC na ma command engineer ko na kwahwe so woni ye a masa woni ye me party member nto wa wo dey hwe me se bobo engineer ni ya asem bia no akwa akaye now the yibudun na je dani what I'm saying there, political interference.
Was market for Elmina. I'm the one of the 24-hour market economy. No markets nibi. Na oyi market menu was a free baby our one. Na ibi mo hompona wonyi market hobio. So baby was ama akofo the one for one table na ze influences na one ton as on and the monk of so bam. Was once the best one was engineers never was no ahana was better wasn't when you missing or your kwan ho nti is this wa over create problems be brave na governor was on amana of power
yes
nti no chinchina hono order was one was see
yes
engineers never more on kwan final order ko report ma payefo one payefo was a call be was no you braya the monko pi over to was my na
yes
next engineers were one
Yes.
No, what was when you was
so Danny and America there, the kind of recruitment are a man we are employing people are
politically identified individuals.
And when you're willing to do the work, that is number one. You don't want to wash and wait in. If you're not doing you do. But it's true. What is current? This is what is going on.
Yeah, currently.
You want to for work school university. We now work engineer courses so. We now watching a table though. It be an expert. Because of that, only political party in it. So I'm saying there political interference, political appointment only the one. Akwasa. Second one. Danny, do you believe there? Your was site to go home, and you can't one more complex down. Or a nature environment or a nature on no boy and home.
You by one offer.
Very good. The word is ransom on the
ransom site.
Yes. You know what the reason why we reserve the Madina? We reserve one for environment. And we do home waba, obi diagro, or boy for the heart. You go school. Sir, for the sentence, what is the for the sentence? It's when we say a fool,
you were wetlands.
Yes,
or there, ye be biaho, or the lands, no, or
yes. And the power solemnness is really bois. And one, a fool or one, and one because of a one I yet say, so good go my meaning. Then we say a really bois, you have some vitamin C, I don't know. And the panel say, it brief with them vitamin C, the Kuyama, and you ever be a woman. But this time around you can't you demand them. Now when you there and when it say so we see then I will catch a permit. Your engineers are mining one directives are maybe a flood prone area no maybe a sulfano will sit down and when you there obi biara o shehen when you there is that a walk maybe a fraud or a fail in massa. That should be a down a bubu. Most of the there a bubu in a fraud prone area. One more come why a failing. When we are talking to engineers, I want to know what's it. So you be and now you be a akaja assassin, no one a failing and said it's done, Danny. You are not safe. Danny, you are not safe. So a lot of a dana ebubuni na ye baby no your fat prone area baby ensufa no we sisi den
yes ensu we case den is wo no onye baby a mfa.
Now let's come back to Cape Coast. UCC you said na ensufa do
yeah.
Why? Because Abra if you Abra see police station on the drainage be the hole
in your
Ebesana ko UCC apiosika edoko diakro no da kokko bakanum no da kogu epunum as now you can say Danny wodi me there an konkora to toto asase
wo ho
and we be out in the UCC wo hwenelite na so what baby wona you are not safe.
You are not safe at all.
The question there, we are done when you are assassin.
No. Abrayes engineers were ho, it was obeyers were ho, when you the master see, when you there, Obias done what, when you Obias store sido. Aha, hand so far. And say, Bandana when you are Aquenia, when you the master.
Yes, question in there is
one then so.
We are done when you are the masters. UCC is its own, but your community one ukron one idea. And you there obi obesi as obey project bia was as bia no you need to get a permit from the assembly.
Yeah.
Now oye do mo nya permit no na okọ kesi da.
No kesi da.
Ya ni patu what ya. Now UCC until there someone was sitting down with flat front area no obey phone still and the future CC ala flat
so ka so CC ala over flat.
And as at now make say assembly identify problem. Danny, you better deal with no problem. This is the question. Assembly about the whole
can I was a human face?
Yes.
Apply human face.
Yes. So now it seems there man a yet no obi ni sika o ka identify asase bi wo dane ntoko kira o wotum lo sida
so on for the effect obenya wa awodo
na problem ni now so is part of there you there or your traditional areas no na nanom na wo ho no enim da Ghana no ankasa ya asase no na nam wo ngode ebusuan wo ngode ebusuan panyimfo no enwo na sisia no wona wotena ebusuan panyimfo no wo ekrokro no na sisia won so wo contribute to a lot of the flood
yo say na tona asase no so ba obere nyiska ndo na so tona asase no bi
otowia
ka wa ton
yes
sana ton
dan otowia yemfa na ododoko dan betum because who assembly obi a wotum lo osi na wanji permit ala
yeah that's the question
dan lebi so
David
obi wotum lo osi na without permit ala nti dan no obanden obi botum esi dan ewo bebi a oye gata
yeah
waben gato just gata no waben
no pe
onye no waben no osi dam de nsu bebu nti me ye your friend bi infantry na mobi afado dani
bridge
the move on oye de no permit
okay sit down no Abraham Bremu no you then go sit down so
yes so now we are talking about all these things are the major problem are cause you contribute to a lot of these flooding here district assemblies and the traditional leaders
yeah
ebusafo mpanyimfo no and what cause these 2-3 people now na nanom ebusuan panyi assembly
na ne don
one what cause flood sisi aka nitre he dani yetre he no wabra me nyiska bi me hu na abra ewe bi wo wonya damade wonya bi nem so and metum me woska metum akaye dani before I identify a place no you na bakwa assembly into your den dani betum nya adati na wokesi na wo nsunudo so all these problems all kodini na no problem ni aya
assembly we pa
they are aware now baby ye kodu
inspector
yes
a state officer
Messi Danny I have friends who work district assemblies here they are not qualified to be building inspectors you see that position no you come with
the position pa
technical position no on the ebuma ko school before boko go to school and those who are dead in highway were qualified they are engineers but the engineers in Danny
your levels
there were levels just say working the experience minimum confirm one service we school where national service a party by wafan
wabe in head
the problem you're facing is cut across with the Ghana Health Service we have example like what Ghana's Health Service then a lot of people work hospital on your nature it's about system failing obi school nursing that is another topic we'll discuss it but obi school nursing what if for 4 years a posting then I do so many a posting
man no can practice for
I'm a cheap compound
can manage
you can manage the ko KMS yare baba take it shall manifest it ojina ho 4 years I do so many na dani oko that means all of phone
not research
do you believe that the new system now won that time no be obey ya on survive
try error
system you run on money when you go to other country enter sir where the yetina senior system you run on money it say am your phone or run a system and there has been a protocol yana nan yetuma yejuma na batu embri the politicians no was say no so this kind of flood no way Danny it will keep on going because of what me dey break down that be and the system I run no so today me from assembly ba assembly me for ba no me this reading common na the party member aboho mo
what share
or boxe or president the NYAMEKYE the MC the catch there oh madam who when Friday you see all today they go work identify me to me farm you see you show yan kasa ti memofo no you create a problem.
Yeah.
But Uber technocrat one or guide on then I'm telling you the truth.
Oh yes.
And I can say it to authority.
That is the common.
What is happening now? The building inspectors or what they are taking money from individuals. Individuals. I'm telling you the truth.
Then you interesting to now. In the information I mean across if you Commander Junction or by Elmina. I used to do Atabazi Elmina Junction. I on the road now worrying. Contractor no was obey demolition. Temporary structures in obey demolish. Now we also wash it and done.
Okay.
Now when you wanna over done now when you temporary in ya when you share. Now wasn't there? Okay, says ya no. Mrana ezi ejuma. Until produce or permit or there or permitter AC store done so another what done AC no.
That's good.
For permits never bra. Now you more compensation, a very good package. But now about some exaggerator 99% when you permit. In another day, the contract in there wasn't there, and then it could be 4,000.
Okay.
4,000. What was I? I was never to say, and then it could be 4,000. Now they are crying, and so what is in there? Or they will show human face. But now, and according to information so I gather from the some of the individuals, we Jessica was individuals. Mawamo on permit, they will sit down, will see store done. Abra assembly no on your way. The music one assembly no ho or call them individuals no go to come. It was also 8 million. 8 million for there, Sikana 8 no. 8 my individual, into other Cascana Coach assembly. It's waging a if you honor receipt or the receipt fit for me or Zama. You not no receipt at all, also no settle boys see no in Yao Nakosi. Was it? As someone walking. You was settle boys navy. Others pay 2,000, 2,500. Others even pay 3,000, 5,000 as in the Wuchia. You was a assembly part. You know, sometimes you not even pay that much. So out of ignorance, and we just came on my individual cinema. One more Conde will see wonder. And then we join the Wabu done. Wabu store. SHR permit, HR, Skazama individual. What is the proof?
Yeah. You see, and America there, Danny, you're coming now. We come my fraud and ever. You're coming now. The cause of the flood, now how are we going to prevent it? Now, you see, as I see you, I am here there. You know, you see from home.
Oh,
yeah, you see from. Now, you're there. I ask myself there, and you find me the best thing there, me feel preventing the margin. Preventing, I have a solution now. But the man me feel but the solution I come at MCE now the better by you see I can't remember the late Moss that time I was school senior high school who said in Sibi Tower Central Region Emma Ekon okay Ekon
Ekon
a Friday
phone pa
apiosika ono ya rewosam
kotochil
na aza engineers no were there would be so all the engineers or district assemblies and what the external engineers ba no what na say so na your problem no the problem and what far after you know when you for the whole year no what's the wash what your research into what the assembly be era na you drainage or drainage in the sizes let's come back younger and ground gutters na you gutters are identify gutters or
okay
drainage gutters and kase na you baby nso ankase efa rivers na you o really nyina na obi so there eba na aze na efi there ya oboboa maybe save flood no obi sa engineers no provide we are the extra team no daba no akọ rounds so akọ rounds ni na we are we team ni now videos interviews okọ no interview into we are no wasaso akọ no aba another third time no akọ community no obi sa community you would insuta ha oye day no oye na kwara no community actually do oye na kwa the means no to but the mean order oye check I'm telling the truth. Comprehensive report. In the external engineers, the whole year will you see. And then I tell you the truth. Let me. When you're reporting in Nairobi, and my econ, we started with year bridges.
Okay.
When I watch any boom as my making. So it came, yes, that is it. It came to time and if aircon on flat view. Now, in Panigeri, it is a sit sabita fletcher, rough. Anyhow. Yes, so it's going on. Abawi. Now, I didn't able to Friday, if you are starting about and then I see no rough. Now, in soon offer infant. Then don't I got now. Got you always see no. Volume of so of feminine abayakasi. Now about no day. So as a planner and 101, you have to identify there. Now
otherwise span.
Yes, span. Yes, span. Got us drainage. And koso. Second one, you can say, bring back as a dredging. Just say, you got us now. Now what got us then what do you know the municipal another town gutters, you know. Yeah. When we are talking about gutters, it's not but KAKRABA gutters. It's not but your friend soap on gutters. It's not but Mankesin gutters. It's about the gutters, the drainage system. Maybe in the volume a pick back. Only me can say the municipal assembly, the district assemblies all work Ghana Hano. The DCs when you feel Danny, I'm telling the truth there.
Capital intensive.
Yes, Danny, the corner may catch all there. Before you see a baby, what the phone or my notice the distance of bottom.
Okay.
Ebanazin, yeah.
Waka. So that what can last year.
Yes, Danny, Ebanazin, yeah. Question that maybe said that this is an MCs. Ebanazin, what year? Now, new government aba. That was last year when employment. And we can all testify that this government, Sika Odama, the DC that the assemblies in the history of political history, what done it been see that. Every department, every project, according to government, and it's a fact. Sika.
Yeah.
Even drip machine I was swimming now. Every month we muska. Woman fuel. We been to Bakan and drip machine now. Now the damn Kwakofado. Now the doctor this one. I buy on fiscal biam.
Was it your job?
Including what is your extra job? No one discovered about sending. Now the question is be sent there.
What your job was going to be
very good. Me, I'm telling you today, whatever you do, the machine I'm informed. But machine what the body for the bed. Now to help the assembly with accessibility about the road network and the drainage, that is the main thing. And the second one, you rent it to the public. You generate idea to
support.
Yes, to maintain
the maintenance.
Very good. Now,
the central government over Mosca.
As some here can there question you be said this is in there. Machine now what to now? Usis assembly no. Asayana. That is the million question now.
High another machine.
Yes, that is the million question now. One washing now, one what if you know be said there. Abana the drip machine aba. The same drip machine ebe no juma no what dey. You see, you can remember that time now in Zulu for Central Region, late at the next time no rent excavators. Mahama eba or rent excavators. Kufoba or rent excavators. Nanado NYANSAPO what a drip machine. It's a semi be an onion drip machine on fire. Now the new government buy the DCs and MC drip machines knows one. MSC and a father all of fire
when you drip coordinators.
What to be that is why I make out on there. There was no new plan. I can tell you on authority there. If there was a plan for this year in Suna, we are not going to do face
one and so by.
Yes, we are not going to face that flood now about Central Region. And the whole region is in Central Region. Okay. And you can say, you miss a bad no way. That is the solution there. If they're able to dredge them drainage in then I'm telling you the truth. The flood will come, but the impact on your dam. Let's identify central region. I can give you the district. I make a say, as at now, direct to urban this is one dredging machine, one dredging gutters. I'm telling you the truth. I did intensive report on the district in there so far. How many districts was start to dredge gutters? And I can tell you there, out of 23 districts, only 6 districts were started. Why? Are they trying to tell us that there is no money? Are they trying to tell us there is no new machines? Or they need extra machines?
But it's surprisingly, in there, brief machine, the brass says, me
aware.
Oh, me aware, pa. The brass says,
as my yekening now there.
Okay, Tuesday, why or the work rent machine.
Why?
Now, was it dredging gutters no? Or there rent them.
You see, when the past government,
why are they in such a way that part now are saying they found every means to purchase the parts to replace it.
When yes,
that is also
when yes, now what you are doing there, my the cost and the way I prevent her there, my menina. And an American there, the DCEs and the waste. I want to use that what the department you are, building inspectors and the engineers. Again over here.
Where's the department?
Yes, again over here. Then you, as an American, if there is no new machine at the assembly, it will have a say. But now there are some machines there. So at the back, you need there. It's one on the part, Danny. Into Nkade, Nija Wifi. Now could make a bad nabe. It's not what you have to do. You have to clean the house. And I'm a boy. Then I'm a boy. So the question I'm asking there, the DC is in one abandoned policy within again drawings in a way ahead of the Insunu.
Plan behind you.
So that I can tell you there, the DC is as failures. The government of the day, the represent, they are failures.
Yeah.
If the previous government,
yes,
if the previous government, I a mistake, and I did 1 year, now able to resume the office. Now Akasi, I'm telling you, John Dramani Mahama president, according to local government, 1 year away, and every project will be away and the money there, then there is a budget for it.
But yeah.
So the question we are asking today there. Nobody has an interest. Yetra hano, then you ain't afraid nothing.
Interest in the neighborhood as na.
What I say? So, again, who to me here? Would be also young farm to walk. They said the man deal about prevent a bazaar.
Flood, not bad.
As of now, make us say, make it. I want to use that to make aircon area one. Check in Sutayon, Ofi, Agri one, or Buffer Addison Hawk. No, I prefer Chicago and Niwana. Okay. No, I prefer Econ Junction. We room about for school in New Woman. Of school in New Woman, one can crank as I saw that back. Econ town. In Econ town, there is a lake, Bakabu, and Sawa Kopunum. Danny, I sat now, okay, say. Late at a mess time, them bridging oil, drainage oil, yeah, mercy. What dredge? What so no was come out what area one or shine will get him kakra. We vote for development. We vote for a party so that Nyamu ever hang. Now when we vote for them, they turn us as the slaves.
I said they are doing us a privilege, a favor.
That is why people are now what do you there? No, a man a woman. Masa. To Abamoa and you so Missumani Mama Bian. That is so yes, that is why that make catch over there. People are taking the power into their hands.
Yeah.
Now they can break anyhow. This is what we are.
This modern era and planned cities.
Yes.
Is a academic area where we sit down in Basa or a slum.
Then it made Matu Abamo. There. We police Adabano. And I'm watching them. nti asemna me ntumi nka na na ka no ese ba yama aba power you can't do it now. I have a power to do my own thing. And a man here commission. So for the issue that was in me the somu at the bob ipia but the bob the this is the assembly no. Now problem now cause away and then all of prevent. And me did there into there. Every drainage got to see Biobian. Danny, no, it's a money for them. Yeah. You all know the system. You don't have any project to do. You see a battle. Yeah. We got us all. Machines all. Do your budget and go and do it. Obi Bakasa. What do you most be 10,000 your project? Obi Bakasa. Nobody met me from one man there. Got all the minimum now and so from now. Why in ye? Now, now. Danny, over the weekend, who there on my pay? While lunch be there. Military be them, yeah. Danny, Emmanuel, we are joking. Yes, I will cut a noon to you. You're able to make it. But you coffee beer. You think ahead. Not disaster or care. If you are better committee. Committee na watu no. You committee watu or mind baby Oma than you out of it by the sika obe we the no.
So you can go to the account for the Sikana was one.
And this committee on Mampay John Tomani Maham Watson. Yeah, you committee baby or mine. What I say? The question you be sent there. We'll be able to solve that problem. The problems are there. We identify.
Also, walk for helicopter, walk around.
Yes.
Watch your cities.
Yes.
Was a comprehensive. Yeah, but what the double blueprint in over zero. Now we mitigate flood no potentially. So you who she now maybe we end there June 29th in Sato.
Now sister yet Erade mempa mebo. That my mom pa kakra. Erade mempa mebo. Me slow there. Nsunu mo de oboto. Yeah. To. Me mo eto a mo nko bebre. Me slow Erade. Maybe Kotoje, since Dani, because the problem is still there. And as at now, over the weekend, what's tax well launching, and the director is all in there. Every district assembly biano, DC biano, identify the problem, and let's work on it. And more part in there. Every got to be a war go and dredge it. As I know, you can say Central Region, DC is in MC is in what did that?
The brainer, what did that?
Daddy, what did that? And the government of the day, directive urban, what did that? And I'm trying to tell you that, Danny, things are going on with Central Region is bad. And information in there 23 districts and 20 DCs in Central Region, only 6 DCs.
No, what's that the warrior?
No, report a million there. Abandoned by DCs, on the Central Region 23 districts. By Cape Coast, or 1 MC until 22. Okay. Report a million there, performance levels. 22 DCs now war hano. Only 6.
No, wait till we meet.
We meet one target.
Oh wow. Out of 22.
Yes. And
18. No?
Yeah. And information I mean the enter reshuffle ever. And I know this is their Okofi. Danny, I know this is their Okofi. And I have those names and Okofi. And all your medadam kofi this Okofi. In your man want to be you, but
what did that? So feel the way you do party part of power.
You qualified to be there. You what this is here, as you say, a Benedict car by there every year be an boreholes want to bear 10 or you what this is a walk from Central Region Hammer.
When you kumpo.
When we all commission kumpo. You what this is Rama the whole year. We see school down by 5. Man, we will back. Danny, why? Baby, enemy. It is a insulin for one on for one. You know, this is a work catch on there. Sanitation problem away. Yes, sanitation problem away. So July contract in Yechuma. Young phone call for district no one Yechuma. You will DC was at an say. You put an all of 1 for 5. And the 5 and 1 for party boys. And Kukwa want to be Yechuma and a waffle. And there's a pressure to them. They have to take out of
employ them. But may hear Yechuma.
You see, so on my point, John Domani Mahama, the vision or the ban, and the partner what's now, so what do one casual manifesto or the human, as a time because Danny, it's not working. It's not working.
Because of some individuals,
it's not working. The chairman and the DC and the party constituency are fighting. And everybody said, this is the result of affecting. One not checking the master.
Over the years, the man wasn't the man. What by a competent human at the hall? What's the way in 1 year?
So, Danny, you didn't see no. Direct is over there. I said, Bibian, one start one drainage, when drainage, one dredge. The question may be said there, and I can tell you authority there. Permanent research and the Maya. Cape Coast Metro Assembly. One start it.
One start one's
because information more in there or excavators be for the age. As at now, when you excavators on and I'm actually ready, Miss Slow.
Man soon talk.
Man soon talk. Soon not to want to talk a crap. Now, yes, sir, a money and as a baba. And why am you there? On my pension, baby, I am young. Women ministers, I am here, I am big one young. I saw Miss Central Region, a woman minister Biara, Utunana Mobile Central Region. That's what I say. There's no need minister built to Mobile Central Region. On my paying one back. What is one back?
MP na meti there.
MP
okor round. Rocket okor round cause
no, Danny, what I'm saying there. As I see, look at Accra, the impact on Mamping one involvement
in your
Central Region. Central Region. On Mamping to one amount to in Central Region. Even the Vice President Abaha
Ofri Hampo.
And this is what is happening in the region. We are journalists and we know what is happening. And this is what we are saying there. If the government policy, if those who are giving the government information, they should listen. The region may catch you there, the bridge on Mampeno because Assembly was Central Region. And who Minister Biara Utanamo, they make a visit. Me, I'm a journalist. Me, who regional minister. So all correct. Me to me, because I was not invited. So invited me, I will know.
Occurrence in Panka.
Yes.
And Companka, who call it no?
Yes. Yes. And I know that they are listening, they are watching. And it's the fact. You have to let them know there.
Oh, yes.
They are duty bearers. Yes, where you Juma.
Was one out to a banzing, all the was the Juma was a woman.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to talk about
it. Juma no. Baby, no say. What do you have? We have to draw your attention to it. American yakaniti in Suta was Central Region. Me call runs bebre. That time the regional minister in town. The age no could be Osman Mokre because of road no issue. That was that. And that's at the regional not we akazibia. We need akazibia after workers almost 16 months in Chaka. Then the Friday scene, a banner when you sika. You see,
that was more on Kasa.
They will not talk because after you can
supposed to come here.
Want to remember. And I'm told you that all the radio stations in I want to be Kasa.
One more order there.
Because of Nancy, Nyansam Trofon, yes, supposed to abano
on that area.
Old workers on which I work out, the new workers now from I don't why
are you all saying there? Is it politicians no do dama? Now what then they resort to offend them. The nation by rough that is blame game. Na na 1 year dam. No said oh them na 1 year. In the year no so don't call them na 1 year. Meanwhile the people are struggling with the issue. Friday here. That is message. Mama fa ahomatrofi into 050820684605082068446 ebotum ya twonko flood no o baby a brona ete or abazi na osi wo ho na how were you able to find your way through necessary ano ebia even there on abawan kakra and damage not then about me nyina acha e be say be friend na nyina acha timo continue
daddy you see as at now you can say press statement be about let me send it to you okay. Na next from flood mitigation committee in the date
next 6
yes from the presidency it yetina and some be kanu timing obado pepe it ya metere mbom yanka but the question me kind there you have identified the problem now what are you doing to solve the problem you see a manner yetina you only identify the problem you can't solve the problem
solution is it so any solution no you one of the solution here you bubu edana yes water waste no dem obaya e dam dan everywhere last week okububu edan bi I think between Accra and Tema that no sofu bi na answer it is the sofu organize boys be also ko hodan ko kwa meeting ko na demolition no na we face one but we duma here ntina in the order of press na start the reason akoshi there in offend there obo aba before aba no power no obo aba no otwe nantwi also nantwi obo number be 60 or say nantwi bebre ozo aba no that's why we to wa bompa mo no wa aba power on the dan no demolisher on turn ho ase
dani share press statement madam for the presidency communication about topic here I think there and some woman yana ahwafo no them first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph.
Okay.
Also, the president has accordingly directed to one Kinkanabon.
The president has accordingly directed that all government appointees, including ministers of state, CEOs, members of parliament, metropolitan, municipal and district chief executives, MMDCs and heads of public institutions must step out of their offices, pick up tools and lead the cleanup efforts alongside members of their respective communities.
First paragraph. First paragraph.
First one.
Yeah.
Also, the government under the auspices of the post-flood mitigation committee has declared Friday, 10th July 2026
Saturday.
And Saturday 11 July 2026 as National General Cleaning Day in the seven regions affected by the recent floods. And then if our actions, our future, cleaning Ghana after the floods. This two-day national exercise seeks to mobilize our collective duty to clean our communities, secure our environment, and safeguard life across the country.
Danny, where breaking news about presidency?
Breaking news from the presidency.
Yes.
That wasn't breaking news. That's one of the solutions now.
Yes.
Adopt.
Danny, the question I make answer. This cleanup exercise, I am then a starter. It's here for washing. It's here for washing. When you're by yards there. This is not the first time. Abanaba there, you clean up exercise. Now, unsolved flooding
problem or money.
And I know that it's a part of it. But the major part of flooding affecting on it, I can tell you this time around. You shouldn't say, "Why we got maybe." This press statement on Mamping Adaban, we will go and do it. But I'm trying to tell on Mamping there, committee in there, yes. You can do it, but I'm trying to tell them that say you don't need in your garden surfacing you will know the means to happen in a couple maybe. And then to say Yangamano. In so what will Yanga baby? Danny, So on Mampain directive, but I'm trying to tell on Mampain there. When we come to clean up places, as young Gadado, and it's a way over is part of na drain offend in soon on Friday member. On Mampain, there's a second thing you have to tell your MCs, do it. The demolition exercise. That is the first solution. We need to work on that. At this time around,
it's difficult to demolish the buildings.
Yes, at this time around,
and some of them they are watching them with a political eye.
Yes, at this time around, it's a demolition. You better exercise, you better start exercising. And this clean up exercise, you shouldn't guess what got us in surfaces and the second thing you have to do is
baby walk block login.
Now demolition.
That big man. Oh yeah, I country as some member. Anybody chunko ade na or chemu there. Any area hono. Or batan of I quite batan gata kasibi the ho. The same thing one block to either or frank of one million be jumana one pere over back. International or young guys are all area when I want to zano. Na onyuan aye the medwumazin to identify number bia ofi the weekend no or the western form na Kasa they are not going to wait for the assembly and I believe some of the assembly members are component in their own small way no they are doing something so the big man na or kanezia na or but the bigger picture no only there is see or waterways or the ebu or the yakate enwa me mfa politics of share as no the ayo party ban we sin the say hanti minja ana ayo DC ne yonko oye party chairman ne yonko ne busianyi ne da minti yebu na oba affect nti yenjai ana yebu da mnyipa ko ne da ne onto aba mfa ma oye party no dio
gani see the beye bedu committee na wato no I think that they have a long way to go and we identify a problem no it's good there clean up exercise no wabado. But the question I'm making there, at this time around, do you need clean up exercise? This time around, clean up exercise,
But you want to know here, but that shouldn't be the main.
Clean up exercise na
Number one should be.
I dare move in clean up exercise ya Canada. Yam pepper. Entity gatin. But the gatan American na ye can. Anytime you clean up exercise, the principal street too. That is some American. The principal street, the principal street the Illumina town, Gatas no one around. In the Wufia one, Peprum, Papaho, Nenkutum. Now, the issue of ground is in there. Gatas or work room one, and Kasankas in Messi. Jimmy Wana,
heavy machines.
Machines no cutting. Bridge offend the bridges no one and casino then soon for me now in racing and I'm not entity. Rivers no one out there soon soon yes. Because the volume of water urban although two sab bridging another river no otum absorb more egumunu natina ba uguma mo ayaka say into soon level no lo to me stay into one of only the problem.
Yeah.
2 days in this way, into our Mampain, my band committee, my band there. So 2 days in, and from Monday to Friday, every assembly, their mama on YouTube. Every assembly, on make sure there, drainage of work with the street piano, you have. We go see the impact of this thing. Then, Emmanuel, young comfortable. What the idea is whether you do more, but we're more quano. In fact, we will meet in a keep coach. As at now, we are having a weekend clean up exercise. Clean up exercise. Is this going to solve the problem? Clean up exercise. The only thing we can do is there. Yami got us away in one problem. As at now, you can say, Kofubu want to one with waste cover business or they are not doing it. Because what waba a damn confibia wabedi manufa
eco bacano chantry abra those KAKRABA areas no got us near choke kasakasi nwebebre eko guo ahwe eko guo twim ohia machines na was it them nyina epo as the fire service car no compa onto fire
that's true
in 2004 that heavy equipment machine na obotum what dredge as in the moon.
A man, I tell me so. Sometimes what to want to be someone there. I mean, the engineer, Danny, Minye
engineers simple engineers we are able to identify the problem.
Yes,
and even offer solutions. So but the technocrats are there.
So if
sleeping.
So if we're able to give him that mandate there, head this program. Na Danny into ye and meet the satisfaction of the one or the one about another year or the year for. These people will be transferred to different districts. They keep on creating the problem.
Same problem.
Technocrats are from Danny. Most of the assemblies, most of them are corrupt.
Oh, crap.
Most of them are corrupt. Don't want to demolish.
One of our culture demolish. Demolish and one demolish that. One and you know, or listen that. So, I'm not going to go for Anafa. They small who sit down.
An American,
they know
the system. I can people are fed up with the politician because I pay, I stand up. You're able to there. It's about what you are expecting a billion, then you don't get it.
You don't get it. Development, now expect them.
Now, how about a servant to them? Those who are supposed to be a servant to us, slave to them.
A privilege.
We wake up in the night, in the midnight, and the morning to go and vote for these people, so that you but rather we are
getting worse off.
Yes. You get it? So the people over there, the system is not working. Now the system is not working, and then you also from the that is what we able to do. Me Kasa me
giving up.
Yes, me can in ABC. Direct is in breaking news on my parents there. Friday. Yeah, Friday, Saturday. I think the date here
what's it
28th.
I think okay, man.
I'm said this week here. 9th. 9th
and 11th.
This week here. Friday and Saturday. The pay woman. Young paper. In say yedim. In say yenim. You are what next? I'm paying what next?
Big question.
A pepper, young pepper. Yeah, pepper. You got a way if you young pepper ma. You probably are nothing for the Quayemfa. Kotakoba market.
It's Friday, 10th July 2026. No, Saturday, 11th July.
2 days.
2026. 2 days.
Yeah, for pepper. This is MP. No, Obian Corner coincidence on the amendment. Danny, can you tell me that? Can you tell me the date? Says I clean up pieces I yeah, baby. You better drainage now, Okromina. If I didn't know what I want to drainage now. What kind of? What's the clean up?
What's the clean up?
Yeah, pepper. Quote me, yeah, pepper.
No, nah. Also, during this 2-day exercise, efforts will be heavily focused on the silting, choked drains to ensure free, uninterrupted water flow ahead of the heavy rains.
Okay. So if you are going to that 2 days now, so what are we
clearing sand, weeds, and debris from major roads, streets, and highways?
We are here to this directive here, Danny. You hold on.
Collection point in your.
You hold on. You should know what they are planning. Machines are whatever.
Cleaning up public spaces, including markets, lorry parks, recreational parks, and communal waste. Communal waste points.
One putting here, maybe a drainage points. We are.
Maybe was
yes. Now, what we are going to do as this week, and NYANSAPO from them, we are going to monitor this exercise.
Yeah.
Is it going to be a normal clean exercise or different clean exercise? Are you going to see fanfare? You will be in Kalakona Channel. This is what NYANSAPO we are going to look at it. Said this clean up is at 2 days or now, man. You are different from other clean up exercise. And man, you organize now. Then at my mechanic. And what our focus as a journalist will be able to question there. It's not about market. It's not about news. It's about the drainage system in the country.
For that.
Yebeti, Ekon, fiti friend Addison enim wona babasan
a conjunction is a town
ono na nye hwede this clean up exercise obeye
London Bridge big gutters on the whole nyina.
This is what NYANSAPO for your central region we should focus on it.
Yeah.
Not about pepper with your hop koto bologu koto guyimba damp site na wana nso ko gum na wala yen koto gu asem no wi wode kwayemfa but NYANSAPO for yejuma ode nyenyi sisia na ye yende yan kase ye monitor eresa if you there nsu otoyi aha na on cause flood no na mo an kase nyen ko wotuma identify no are you when I say na ye kwakwahwe and me no it's a good news for me but the mid clean up exercise no maintain the there dani obaya da mokro ni bi and we are hoping there on ko da mo na me meta no na se wan kwa
onye massive na yehu de msu kasempo ta onyaza oba ho nkofo because ya boye ho ya prepared etimo onche bia ye bosan na issue kosa na ye pede ye wuram ye ka ho asampa ezai flood ye fi asemo ye ka central region Cape Coast ogwa kona ebe fada dem flood yi oba bioma tere mo kon 29th June no or amanfo won ho kan nkan kire because amema me baby otno nso fa no kra she was almost taken away by the water. Young guys in that. What friend ma? Ebi mo ko inside. Oko ni dey mo ko man do she wo echi. That's friends abrowa.
That how the way.
Was the friends na mas ma akelmi na. Mutum ba. Na mutum ba itina the young guys in that. Oja abrowa ma. Abrowa say no ha atemi a yenda man ke anta sampa. Nti I believe that oni nyina ya boa. Now, this issue of corruption, I believe that I will find an appropriate time for Timothy. Now, other persons will come, then will digest it very well. But briefly, you bet Apostle NYAMEKYE na sama okay corruption. It's what be yerba kasa orizi omanenya. Tamo azi abakwana ezba fado. Only a brief.
Okay, Danny. Me da say corruption there what's your battery na ade your battery
na bro
your battery and your battery no sa Kasa no or ye sunsu I'm trying to draw this line awo we feel mesro ma ye use sa Kasa de bio
language no onye
your battery me catch all ya me obanye se se nesa so impa no obia manyankopon obon dis obi ba no catch all there aha na lokoi osusu there eko bibi besia tenase one Kasa advice on you see they will always say there a more being tooth impa de bia wo ma one Kasa no tumufu me papa asema okacha oso kwame mo bi ntofu na mo ma ya da ni ti afutu ti afutu na mo bi ntofu o kire de
na Kasa na gina wa
ti afutu no na wan Kasa decide
yeah
nti sa Kasa na de bia no corruption de ya botwin mesro emma wo ya paame
wa be normal
wo ya mame wo ya papa wo ye panyin wo adwuma kada masem because oye sunsuma abaden no da ya asaso normal no ye di sua as a nature nti kada ma mo abetre ye nu na masoma mo hwe so corruption dani we can ye betu etu ase ye betu etu ase ni na de ni kakraba metina he me yensem troni memehun osameka dani pacho mameka na ajasa memehun osameka so why there memehun ne kwa no na menka that means
because of ABC
yes that means we are corrupt no when I be to na we are corrupt so me na me demand no yanya there's another thing that me kokoto me finish me there no me yere my dey obobom me so me yere that means na fi corruption now what we are going to do we have your poor civil servants what you do more money man tani what costs a lot to that sure nan say on local government on the work rounds if TV then sometimes we see the government workers are what the districts are saying, what your government workers are budget are
what that will name him
more what that could afi the miskeni yin there ye die
particular ejuma
and the major man awon then you want what na so the assembly members over district over nkronkron no what them report in the back no what kwa assembly no aja tum because every department bia will score a lot in ejuma into the banner finance minister will read the budget then me reward there obi ya ban ejuma ni no certain budget akọ no budget ni scanner ba ni scanner lord di ejuma no what that is scanner that
different thing
no be say na di ejuma no kesi ha dani onwa so
ntumo ka hwe
you see so the corruption na yankasa no ya kan wasem ni na no o ya there you create if we able to sanction people with the jail let me tell you dani there's one thing na able to ya corruption between reduce
ye bona e jiskana finisem e jail ni kan
jisikano
no plea bargain bia
no plea bargain I am from before kakra no wetin there ma kaye juma bi o de yin na meka me de be 10,000 akaya ejuma wo kwhwe no no ntedam na te ma bu o ma no ntedam de ma ready na metua ntaban YouTube na menka na YouTube na aban so ba te na tua do you know there me trust mo bu so wonyim no what okay ntisa na metum
me
diska
we are
embedu wa metum menya ba na otum akama ba na da otum waje maybe we consider mo criminality and am so metum aye you see your country do o ma dani eja ban contract na le ye na ye ne diska na dani mo ye what you kotum so ntum ntua wo yele na womba
what you want account
that is it if we able to set sa yellow on yes sa obi biara obi di sika and obi biara be project bi and obi biara o de ma de ye na fa ye na de KBB na chala I follow to that victim sa yin pa no dani o si jailu you know jailu no ye jailu so a ma me chiro emi kakraba metene he no ke kosi a o jailu man you know ye mko secondary when you to ankafo ha
ya
na
hard labor
no yende anapa wo sara no krom comment no comment no eduma ho anwan moko
na akakaye
na makapra aye
community service
yes afi bomu da na abrante yene mami anti esi saman yene mami Mr. Jesse ne papa Mr. Jesse na se hwehwe ne ho abe ay prisoner okay na okedi abaniska
wasna ba hampo mo ye ejuma
ejuma hwe no afras mo boy woni bede obi that Timothy no ye journalist na fi obenne okedi abaniska why and that's what adama if we able to implement that policy now then I'm telling the truth
examples enough
so obi bekokodi obaniska then bekokodi na court we dinasema then awo ko bia panchin de we go court 3 days no we
jail what's the judge or ejuma
you see so I'm trying to draw the attention there yakoda no ye nkofu privilege bi e wo man mi de won no we superior dem kofu no won asem ye rizi na mu kona bra ni mi ko wi abroad no mu akona nde we jenu ma de to jenu ma do you think that those with the high position
obey them
what
to one for
nti ye ku enimu me did there corruption is able to asa the punishment of which see to me pejemu kosura dani I'm telling you the truth there ebekofo with the likes of hard labor ye be system ye jelu wa wose kedem odema abana susa so botu edima na ama but ememi susi there so we jelu nyimpa na omansa so nka ye adwuma na adwuma no so ye wie a onye adwuma na sika na wodo to no do no onye de me adwuma no fontua
de miska no
and adwuma no so no make sure no fa onko no krom you see obandama on jani nimpa no obasesa yeko prisons yakede
was he an nimpa kure nimpa bie na
nani
ka na obasesa ntanta
there me mete ya no
it's one of the best solutions
dani metre ya no ebi abompa de momo nkomo na metre he ya na wa manfo lo hwem na obetro kakraba
why day mo was na afada mo kwan yedo
na won wo hwemi na obi hu na fi mititi gatema na ya da Brenton na obetna TVD na chodu suma no yo hwe na hwe bread na hwe TV bread kakraba ano se prisoner te no ya den okowie sika
na we ko wie ni dam
hwe ana odori yo bona kwala no hu abaka se bread kakraba pa no bi amepe na asam na se no otu
lampo na se
otu gatema
chele ameze no ba ye voice kra nti mamuntu hofo
so me susu there punishment yedi momona wofum amano for corruption if you able to expand it
yes as a political faces
that is it you all know what is happening and as my American there say yedi demand no to wa dani and me susu there corruption no to better ebudu baby a wudi bona woba
wa betua ho ka
won obutua ho ka missy so Korea se South Korea kesi if I can remember if my memory serve me come yes South Korea na enda mu kofo no is bona na ohun na papa no age no odi na ma won monko na wode wo ye anawoba ko
na ko serve
ewe wode ebi ato wo de wo family no wonya government work bia so if you're able to do some all these things in at the two a manima then it's no but them a man for no do
we rather celebrate kofa we maniska na yaka support ka party from we ze chief because okay demonstration ko watch mo nyimpa atum as the man as na
because you will weak institutions it is common there end of year no for you juma and brand so chede at the end of the year no all the bubu account obaba no onye internal auditor external auditor no aya plan na nyama yakote no aye ni ye koneke ni dey okay Martin sikana kakra no aye no no usiji atro na aye system no na daba
aye no fine
but I'm trying to tell you that
watch your report wa cover
Danny I mean to me no them external auditors no some of them they are not helping us.
Oh no money on auditors count look at auditors
Danny how do you identify this problem they be what's there external auditors no you can correct me they be what's external auditors no problems
problems
now do you think that these problems are not what the banner you don't know what the banner there's a more to it what I say
watch your report
there's more to it
then when you watch your beautiful report was our cover
me what I believe there sir abanono budget no why do budget ba
you want to be or transfer the power was no call her on check no way if you because okoye auditing na tell as a way hunu ona na obotro owi an report presenting report na otumu ka che obi there the music na easy you have to refund the money or no more 2 weeks and 1 month for refund scan and say wa cho no report nti mo ne refund scan from my assembly no another from a school and a hospital no or audit government agencies
in China
we transfer because of a human or nti
this kind of people
now can they see or one or the way them to
yes this kind of people no and I make actually the dance is a political interference is working for the nation for the people of the country and when you there or see a man be there nyana nankasa ye na assassin or the ejuma no adashi no do le ejuma da chi bi oni wa na man when opportunity obo ne papa ni din de e papa de mi no ye de men konfo ne na ye ke de e man na ye timi no ye nya bi mi amete ye dani influence obo ma drum pressure obo ma drum for you din because of party bi o party ba power no women dey ejuma ni nti dani odo ko na kaya bidding of the party meeting here me and Centroni
one was a create loot and share.
Yes, meeting me and Centroni then opportunity been break this year no. Me kwa kat now because of that party or the implementing. Na makama na to. And if the system is working
now.
Na some configure here but on there we hear the money or the punishment that no Emma walk on krom. Work clean up places. We jinjina was sentally be watch all the prisoners then I think there make a opportunity na me yasa
very steady.
So what I'm suggesting to the government in there senior ya kuni bi na say amendment na punishment yet you for women will discount we shouldn't give them just 1 week people just pay the money then you go inside you go inside I feel uncomfortable will be huge man sister Burkina we are born when you kwa one is what you say recruitment so Burkina Faso sister prisoners what the age man we do bona when you kwa that say a man I was a man no when we can use age man so let's change some policy be our mind the way you punish uncomfortable so I end up part of corruption e be koso aye and immediately there if you able to adapt what I'm saying not a two punishment is the same abeya de suede
obo pa
ni nyina no yetum
fantastic suggestion yo brother Timothy ase amazing komo papa nkomo no deep the most at times no mostly no or there is people like Timothy no as be fia na you want to nkomo na wo cheche na woman da ma detail solutions yi akona be for that bobo mo man nyina yetum eziye na say ka bibi to the corruption at a point no it will be a thing of the past no chere ye clean up system no as a man ye adwuman fema obia ye hu de ono nko nka ye bon no nka ne party nti ozeba chen obiru nka ye bon nka wa bana nyi power nti ye re twa so a na so obi foforo so ye so a osna aba na power nti was re chen ye nyom man dam ye dam so chere won ye the solutions are ozabe ye zina ebom na ezi adwuma is there to some extent no kobo boapa madamazi was serve as a deterrent of zamani people bebre ama we jey bone ye o manisika na won kotin wofum ozugo nkutokum okay won ebuse na won yakofo na won namba won zananti ndam no azno won do botwa nyame ya adoma ochina so ebeze ehia na ya twinkomo mizenze dani ABAWANA mensaka menua oye Timothy KAKRABA NYANSAPO oye Centroni report ma oye Onua TV na media general group of companies media company ni na oye juma waze mawon yami aduma ochira so ebehia na atwenkomo wakasa jumezi yankopon nhira obebre de ezo kasa fiziness to ha na nyina nyina ka bom edwunjun oman Ghana ho ede wase yankopon yaduma ochina wasan so yehia bye bye.
Yana